Okay, so I'm going to prepare a quick and easy yet very healthy omelet. Right now I have mushrooms, cheddar cheese, garlic, and Brussels sprouts, all leftovers that I'm going to use. So right now I am sauteing the mushrooms first for a little bit, and then I threw in the Brussels sprouts and garlic, and I'm just sauteing them on low in butter and olive oil. You don't need a lot of olive oil, but I use as much butter as I can, usually, wherever I can. And then in a separate pan, I am going to cook the omelet. So right now, I am beating the egg. So I added some tomatoes here to the saute, the mushroom saute. And after sauteing it for a couple of minutes, I have it turned off now. And in my other pan, I have my egg. And the best way to get a good omelet is to cook it on low, because then it doesn't get burnt. Okay. So what I do is I continually move the egg yolk to the sides, and then I pick the pan up and I put it underneath like this to make it wider and to make sure it's fully cooked. Now that the bottom of the egg omelet is fully cooked, I added my cheese. And once that starts melting a little, I am going to add the sauteed mushrooms. I happen to have avocado in the house because I bought a huge bag and they're ripening slowly, and so this one's done. I put my filling on the left side because I'm right-handed and it makes it easier for me to flip it over. I'm going to take the pit out. This has a lot of stuffing, the filling, so you could definitely share this with someone else. I'll probably eat this in 2 sittings, even though it's only 2 eggs. So I flipped the right side over, and look at how perfectly cooked that is. And I only have my stove setting on 2 or 1.5, because you want to cook it slow. That's how it doesn't burn. Luscious looking. And there's the finished product. A beautiful and healthy omelet, some Ezekiel bread. If you buy a lot of frozen items during this time, Ezekiel bread is one of the good ones to get, and it will last very long in your freezer. For great presentation, put a few avocados on top, some Ezekiel bread with a little bit of salad. No one will know the difference, that it's not, some kind of herb. And that's about it. And it's going to be so good, I promise you. Only post the food.